everyone, welcome to our video. Today we'll begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 3 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, today we are going to begin with another interesting chapter, that is chapter number 38, Reasoning Fun Time. We'll begin with the first question. The first question is, which one is different from the other? इनमें से कौन सा एक दूसरे से अलग है? Obviously the first one is given over here, apple. Second is mango. Third is, that is the C1, banana. And the fourth one is car. All these are the names of the fruits. Hence this is the odd one out. So you have to choose the correct option. We have to mark a tick over there. Next, we have to find the odd one out in the second question. So, the first one is cat, second is dog, third is cow, and D is chair. Obviously, they all are living organisms and a chair is not a living organism. Hence, this one is again the odd one out. So, we will put a tick. Next is the third one. If 2 plus 2 is 4, then 4 plus 4 is what? So let us check what is 2 plus 2. They are saying there is 4, and hence 4 plus 4 is what? 4 plus 4 is 8. So what is the answer? 8. Not 6, not 10 and not 12. Next we have, if a hen gives eggs and a cow gives milk. So they are saying, what does a hen gives? It gives eggs and a cow gives milk. और cow क्या देती है हमें? Milk. Then what does a tree give? हमें tree क्या देता है? It gives us fruits, it gives you shoes, it gives you clothes, or it gives you toys. So obviously what is the answer? Fruits, shoes, clothes or toys? The answer is fruits. So the tree gives you fruits. Next, now move on to the fifth question. The fifth one says that you have to find the pair. They have given you that book is to reading. Book is for reading purpose. And what is the work of the knife? Knife is to what? You will mark the answer as cutting, writing, eating or sewing. किस purpose के लिए use होता है knife? And the answer for this is cutting. Knife is to cutting. Then the next, if this is dog, this is cat, then this is what? What is this image shows? This is the image of an elephant. So the answer is A, elephant. It is not a monkey, it's not a mouse, and it's not a lion. Then next, seventh question is, which shape comes next? कौन सी अगली शेप आएगी, कौन सी नेक्स्ट शेप होगी? Let's observe carefully. First is the green, then we have the blue, then green, then blue, then green, and the next is blue. So your answer is B, not A. Children, let's now do question number 8. So question number 8 is, if all roses are flowers and some flowers are yellow, then what will be the next option? The next option will be that none of these. It is not related to this question. Then we have the next question, that is the ninth question, and it says, if a train moves north and turns right, यानी कि if a train is moving towards the north direction, which direction is it going now? And it is turning at the right direction, then all of a sudden फिर वो right को turn होगी. So what is the direction this side? We have east here. So what will be your answer? The answer for 9th question will be east. Then 10th question, 11th question you will be doing on your own. This is your homework. Now let's move to the next question. The 12th question says that a kite flies in the sky, a fish swims in the dash. Now what will be the answer for this? काइट उड़ती है आसमान में, और फिशेस स्विम कहाँ करती हैं? दे स्विम इन वाटर. सो द आंसर फॉर योर 12th question is water. So this is all with chapter 38. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.